Welcome to Veterans Green Jobs Home Energy Audit Training. For the next few minutes, we're going to show you what exactly heat is, to us and to our communities. During our 9-week training program, our veterans will learn the basics behind conducting a full home energy audit to BPI standards. Currently, heat participants are conducting Tier 1 home energy audits in the San Luis Valley of Colorado. Let's take a look at what a Tier 1 audit entails. Saving energy. When first entering a home, we help our homeowners understand what the energy usage portion of their bills actually means. Then we begin the process of helping them find what they can do to help lower their energy usage. We ask about the history of the home and if there are any heating or cooling issues they'd like us to know about. Compact fluorescent light bulbs. Compact fluorescent light bulbs help make the best use of the energy needed to light homes. Our veterans will help by installing mini light bulbs in often hard-to-reach places. Also, we explain exactly how these new, strange-looking bulbs can save them on their home's energy usage.
And over the 10,000 hours that it lasts, on average, that can save you about 75% off the energy it would take to normally use an incandescent bulb.
Water heaters. One of the biggest energy users in the home, the hot water heater's temperature setting can make a big difference. Our veterans check the temperature of the hot water, then advise the homeowner about proper water heater settings. Also, checking the flow of the shower head shows us if maybe too much hot water is being wasted by a heavy flow shower head. If desired, we will install a low flow shower head to help reduce the use of hot water in their home. Refrigeration. While most homes only use one refrigeration unit, some use more. Our veterans check to see that the units are efficient. Older refrigeration units can be a heavy burden on the electric bill. We'll take down the information from the refrigerators. If a replacement unit is recommended, we notate that on our audit form. Heating units. Here in the San Luis Valley, many homes are using heating units that are less than 70% efficient. Our goal is to educate our clients about higher efficiency furnaces and make a note if a replacement is recommended. If a programmable thermostat can be installed, we recommend its installation to help them cut costs in the winter. In many cases, these folks are making do with what they have. Ideally, Veterans Green Jobs would like to train a core of individuals on the installation of 90% or better efficiency furnaces to ensure that these homes become equipped with adequate heating for the very harsh winters in the valley. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Educating the community about the safety concerns with natural gas appliances is important to our veterans. If proper smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are not present, we gladly install a new one and educate our clients about the hazards of carbon monoxide.
Okay, CO is colorless, odorless, tasteless. You won't even know it exists. Okay? If this activates, what you guys do is you're going to just get out the home. You're going to exit. Okay? Now, who lives with you?
He lives alone.
Okay, you live alone? So what you're going to have is an exit strategy to tell your family where you're going to go. So if there's a fire, you're going to go to her house. Automatic, okay?
Insulation. Our veterans are not afraid to dive into the trenches. We inspect each home's attic and crawl space to ensure that they are properly insulated. We also check the walls for insulation, as well as the windows for air leaks or moisture issues. If we notice problems, we make a note of it and recommend the home for Tier 3 weatherization service, which our veterans are already trained in. Education. Throughout the entire audit, our veterans are providing the homeowner with a wealth of information about lowering energy use. Just because the work is done doesn't mean we just pack up and call it a day. We sit down and have a thorough conversation about all of the things we did to improve their usage at the Tier 1 level. From reiterating the usefulness of CFLs to suggesting clothesline use and setting back the thermostat at night and when not at home.
Veteran Green Jobs provides meaningful career training to veterans. Veterans coming home basically are entering the workforce behind their peers who chose not to serve. And in lieu of that, we're providing this training program in an industry that's one of the very few growing fields in America right now, the green industry.
We're veterans, and we know what it's like to serve our country, at times of war. And for us to be able to come back, get out of the military, and still come back out into our communities and serve them, well, that's just a continuance of our service to our country.
They're coming home, they're providing for their communities by giving back something, making them greener, saving some money on their energy bills, helping them secure basically sustainability. These leaders have an amazing work ethic, strong values, they can work under pressure, and they have this sense of service to their nation and a service to their country.
And I think that that's a great thing that Veterans Green Jobs is going to be able to provide. We'll have a lot of hard-working guys out there doing the work that needs to be done for our communities so that we can further serve our country.